Welcome to Transoft. In the previous video, we had looked at how we can book a consignment or a bill using our software. In this video, we will be looking at truck engage or lorry hire section in detail. So let's click this. So this is basically the page where we can see all the data available over here. We can search here by the vehicle number or the C note number, and over here we can search by the date. So let's just have a look. So let's say we select from July 2022 to 21st February 2024. So over here if we click show, okay, there are no trucks. So let's go here, let's select this as 2020, the year as 2022, and July 6th, let's say. Now if we click on show, so we have two vehicles that have been engaged during this time. Let us look at the first one. For example, first one, the branch, originating branch is Surat, date is 31st December 2022, vehicle engagement number is 369, the vehicle number over here is RJ14G P5630 from Surat to Delhi, the charge weight is 0 and the total freight is 72,000. An advance of 15,000 has been made, so the remaining balance is 57,000 over here. All of this has been directly calculated by our software and we displayed over here. No manual calculation was needed to be done by the company. Now if we click on add new, we can get this form, which is the add lorry hire form, and we can add all these details and click on submit to add the lorry hire. So first of all, we have the vehicle taken field, which is a drop down. So we can, over here we can see if we can hire the, if we're taking a hired vehicle or if we're using our self vehicle. So let's say we're using our self or our own vehicle. Over here we need to add a lorry number by pressing this. So over here we can select any type of vehicle type, we can enter the vehicle number over here, we can enter the chassis number over here, the engine number and the vehicle owner. So we already have a list of vehicle owners over here. If we want to add a new owner, we can click on this, and when we enter out all these fields, name, billing address, state, mobile number, GST number, and click on save, then it will be added over here. We can schedule the delivery over here, we can give the time and we can give the date. So over here we can even select if we have a broker or not. Now over here under the charge detail section, we can give the various charges over here. The lorry freight over here can be defined, the crossing freight or the freight, that is the amount that is required for crossing over from one state to another, can be given over here. The total will be calculated and be displayed over here in the total section. Then we can see where the balance can be payable at. So the less advance will be given over here, it will be defined by us, and in the balance due section, all of the total amount and the total due amount will be calculated by the software and displayed over here. Again, similarly like the consignment booking, we can add remarks over here and click on submit. Once we click on submit, our vehicle will be displayed over here as well. Alright, now let's close this. Let's look at the different actions that we can perform. So we can basically view the vehicle engage. Over here all of the information of the selected or corresponding vehicle engage has been picked up and displayed over here. For example, the vehicle is taken as a hire, the lorry number is as displayed over here. It was booked on 31st December 2022. Its originating location was Surat, and the destination was Delhi. The driver name will be displayed over here. In this case, it's Rahil Khan. The vehicle owner will be displayed over here. So there was no broker involved over here, so it's displaying here as no broker. The delivery has been scheduled as 31st December 2022. All of this has been dynamically picked up by the Transoft ERP and displayed over here. The lorry freight over here was defined as 72,000. There was no crossing freight, and a total of 72,000 rupees was the amount that needed to be paid. A less advance of rupees 15,000 was paid, and hence the due balance was rupees 57,000, which was calculated directly by the ERP itself. So the balance payable at was at Surat, and there are no remarks over here, therefore this section is blank. So if you click on view button, you will be able to view all of the details of the vehicle that has been hired, or the vehicle that has been engaged in this format. Going back, we just click on cancel. We'll go back over here. Now let's just take the same vehicle. So for that we have to search by date, 2022 July 14th. Click on show. Yeah, so this was the first one that we have been viewing. Again, over here we have an edit button. If we click on this edit button, in that case, over here we can edit everything. We can change the vehicle taken, we can change the lorry number, we can change the date. The from and to location can be edited. The driver can be edited. Only the vehicle owner cannot be edited, because the owner of the vehicle cannot be changed. The date also cannot be changed, because once it's booked we cannot change the date. But other items over here, such as the lorry freight, the balance payable at, the advance, and everything else can be changed, and we can even add remarks over here. Once we click on submit, all of these changes will be saved in our vehicle freight, in our lorry hire section. Now let's go back. So over here we have a delete button, which if we click it, then this vehicle engage will be removed from this table. Then we again have the print button. So if we click on the print button, you can see the uh, lorry hire contract that has been over here. All of this information has been taken dynamically by the software through the information that has been inputted by the user, and through that all of this information has been taken and displayed over here in the form of a receipt in this format. So everything is done automatically, nothing needs to be done manually by the company. Okay, let's go back. So over here we have a few other action buttons, which is payment, transporter email, and driver email, which can be set according to the needs of the company and can be customized accordingly. Over here we have another button called export to Excel. So whatever information we have over here can be viewed in the form of an Excel sheet. If we click on this button, export to Excel, then this table will be converted to an Excel sheet. Alright, so this is about it for the truck engage or lorry hire section. In the next video we will be looking at the loading part, where we can even generate the challan and manifest and dispatch. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.